Hello and welcome back for this video. In this video I will show how you can install the vue-cli so you can create projects just to type in vue create and then the folder name. It's very useful, but if you don't understand the basic of the Vue, I will recommend you to see my other videos about Vue so you can get a better understanding about Vue and the Node.js environment. But now you are here, I will show you how simple it is. The first you need to do is to be sure you have installed the vue-cli as a global variable. So npm install g and vue-cli. I will install it on my local one to be sure, and you can see I already have it here. It's only 291, so I will just say upgrade everything, and then I upgrade all my global packages. The vue-cli in the moment is around 3 point something, and that's why I want to upgrade my global one. Depends on how many packages you have, it will take a little of time. And now we are ready. We are on vue-cli 3.5.0. So the next one will be you can type vue create, and then I have a vue-cli folder, and then it's again ask you want to use the default Babel and ESLite. I'll recommend this, or you will manually select the features. I will absolutely recommend this. It's very nice to use Babel. And now we can go inside to the vue-cli and type npm run serve. I will go up here and show you the CLI folders, and it's starting to build, and now it's running. You can see here it's running well. It's running perfect. We're going back. You can see when you use when you create Vue based on the vue-cli, we have a public folder with the index file. We have the source folder with the app. We have components, the hello world. So it's installed here to make the sample, and you have the essence with the logo and the Babel configuration and everything here, the main configuration of your application. And then you're up and running with the single page application for Vue. I'll recommend you, if you have the basic understanding about Node.js and the Vue, I will definitely use this way because it's make your code more organized and it's easier to work in teams. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand and you can see the point why you should use vue-cli. Hope you want to subscribe my channel. Hope you want to give it a like. And of course, if you have any questions, please make them below. I'll try to answer them. And I hope you want to add it for a playlist, share it with your friends, and of course, one more time, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your time. See you next time.